Have you ever just randomly sprinkled seed into a compost tray and wondered how many seeds did I actually deposit this time? Here's a simple little trick to ensure you only sow the desired amount of seed each time. Simply pre-cut some biodegradable toilet paper and place in the compost tray. Now you can see clearly where you have sowed the seeds. You can adjust their position with a pencil if so required. Before adding more compost, spray them down with a mist spray to ensure they stay in position. You can now add some more compost and spray the compost into position after. A final spray and your seeds are on the way.